Hey guys, I'm super excited to tell you about something new at Tool Box Buzz. We just created a monthly award and tool giveaway to show you that we appreciate what you do. We're celebrating it with the hashtag TBBPRO. The award is called Tool Box Buzz Tradesman or Tradeswoman of the Month. And it celebrates and embraces traditional craftsmanship as well as provides you with an opportunity to leave a tangible mark on your completed work. Look guys, skilled labor, it is the backbone of our economy and progress around the world. The Tool Box Buzz crew wants to recognize the men and women who make a living in the trades. To all the folks in the trades, you know, the ones who build our homes and offices, keep the power on, provide water and heat for us, the folks that are building our vehicles or repairing our vehicles and roads and highways, and just about anybody who uses their hands to build and repair things, we salute you. We want to show people what you do. We want to share your story, your talent. So this is why we created this monthly award, to celebrate what you do. Entering the Tradesman of the Month is simple. All you have to do is send us an email with a picture of you on your job site, in your shop, showing off something that you're proud of. Hey, look, it could be a tool, a build, a jig, a process. It doesn't matter. We'll choose one winner per month. The Tool Box Buzz crew will pick the winner. We will feature the winner in their story on our webpage for everyone to see. Every month we'll pick a new winner and a new profile will be covered on our webpage. As a Tool Box Buzz Pro of the Month, you win some very special prizes. You're going to get a really nice tool package from Milwaukee Power Tools. And everyone loves tools. You're going to love this. You're not going to believe it. You're going to get exclusive shirt and hat from us with TBBPRO logo on it. Nobody can get these. You can't buy them and we don't give them away. Only you get them. We're going to get Tool Box Buzz stickers to you. And we're also going to highlight your work and project and post a short story or short bio about you and what you do on our webpage. And basically, we're going to cover your work and project on our social media channels. And lastly, if you have a web page, a company web page, we're going to link to it and promote your work and your web page on our stuff. The giveaway rules in our special TBBPRO email are all listed below, linked below in the video description. Good luck, guys, and I can't wait to see the photos you send in.